your new tile installation, and it has an accent band. Now the question is, what color do I grout it? Do I match the field, or do I match the accent? Or can I have two grout colors? One of the most important parts to any project is preparation. Thanks for tuning in until the end. I hope you learned that with a little bit of protection, extra patience, you can have two different grout colors in your installation. Like, subscribe, and tile the world.